What's up guys, Jeff back here with another amazing video, and in this video, as you can read in the title, I'm going to be showing you how to create a working PayPal that can send and receive funds in any country. And you're going to be able to withdraw the payment you receive through this PayPal to your local bank account in any country you're in. So real quick, if this is your first time on my channel, please go below this video and hit that red subscribe button, and while you're there, hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I drop a new video. And during the course of this video, if you like it, do not forget to leave a like on this video also, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is go over to paypal.com, and one thing you have to notice is that PayPal automatically takes you to the website for your country. So what do I mean? Over here at over here in US, PayPal takes me to paypal.com/US/home. So if you're in a country like Nigeria, it's going to take you over to paypal.com/ng, and the websites are pretty different for whatever country you're in. So if you're in India or something, it's going to be different. If you're in Nigeria, it's going to be different. If you're in UK, it's going to be different. So the first thing you have to make sure you do is change the URL from your country's URL to a country where you know PayPal works. So you could change it to something like paypal.com/UK, and the URL and the website is going to change to something you could actually use. So I would advise you to go with something. I'm going to advise you to go with USA, because that's the one I've found to work with this method I'm actually using right now. So after you go over to the website, all you have to do is sign up for a personal account or a business account, but I'm going to advise you to go with a personal account so you don't really raise any attention to yourself. So go for a personal account, sign up with a brand new email and stuff like that, your full name. You guys know how you sign up for this stuff. So the next thing you want to do is go over to payoneer.com, and I'm going to leave a link to this in the description in case this is your first time of hearing about this or something. So you go over to payoneer.com, you click sign up, and you're going to sign up as an individual and provide them with your real first name, last name, email address. Then you go over to your contact details and security details. They're going to ask you for your ID card or something, government issued ID card, and it's going to take some time before they accept you, but it's going to take like about a day, because mine took only a day for me to get accepted. So it's gonna take you a day to get accepted, and when you're accepted, you're gonna get access to your dashboard, and now you're pretty much halfway through the entire process, because Pioneer is gonna provide you with, I think, virtual bank accounts. Let me show you that real quick. I have to log in again. Okay, so as I was saying, Pioneer provides you with virtual bank accounts, and I'm going to show you guys that. Load up. So you guys can see what I'm saying. Right now, I'm not in UK, but I can actually get a UK bank account, and over here, US bank accounts, United States bank accounts, and you guys could also come and sign up and get this virtual bank account yourself. So over here, I've actually created a PayPal account, and I link this bank account to it over here. So as you can see, let me click that for you guys to see. So the bank name, First Century Bank, as you can see over here, First Century Bank, and the account number ends in 2016 and 2016 over here. So you guys, this works with PayPal. If you're in India or Nigeria where PayPal isn't actually allowed, you could sign up on Payoneer, but I'm gonna advise you not to click off this video yet, because I'm gonna tell you guys something important, something you guys need to actually know before you click off this video. So we are in the we've gone past the first phase of this. So you guys know, when you link your bank account to PayPal, they're going to send you some payments to verify that you actually own the bank account. So let me show you guys that real quick. So as you guys can see over here, balance over here, this is 21 cents in US dollars or whatever, and PayPal sent me the verification payment of 17 cents and 4 cents, and you're going to input that in your PayPal account so they verify the bank account is actually yours and you're not like using someone else's bank account. So after you do that, you're good to go. You could send and receive funds. But one thing you need to know about Payoneer is that before you could actually send this money to your local bank account, you have to reach a minimum of $50. So I mean, it's not really much, but just want to put that out there. And I think they call it a fee of about $5. So you guys need to reach a minimum of about $50 before you could transfer this to your local bank account in whatever country you're in. So if you receive a payment in PayPal, then you transfer that over to your bank account on Payoneer, and it's maybe $10. You cannot transfer that to your local bank account. It has to be up to $50, and they're going to charge a fee of about $5 to transfer that to your bank account. So if you love this video, thank you for watching this far. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I will be replying to as many as I can. And if you want to send me a message personally, you could send me a message on Instagram. I will reply as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and out.